Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine at your place. I am your English teacher, Richa Sharma. So, today we are going to start with the poem. Mm, The name of the poem is So Big. So, please be ready with your notebooks and note down the important lines or the meanings of the word which we are going to read during this video. So, especially first of all, this poem is about dinosaur. Dinosaur is a large animal who lived so many years ago, like 1,000 years ago, and this poem is about dinosaur. Okay, so this poem is written by Max Fatchin. He was an Australian journalist and he wrote so many books for children. So it is written by Max Fatchin. Okay, so first of all I'm going to read the poem. The dinosaur, an ancient beast, I am told was very large. The poet is saying that the dinosaur, an ancient beast, ancient means very old, beast means very large animal. Okay, the poet is saying that I was told when I was a kid or when I was a child that dinosaur was a very ancient, was a very old, large animal. His eyes were as big as a tennis ball, and his eyes were as big as tennis ball, like the size of the tennis ball. The same size was of his eyes, was the size of the dinosaur's eyes. So his eyes were as big as a tennis ball. We must have seen tennis ball, yellow color balls. So he's saying that I was told that his eyes were very big, like tennis ball, and his stomach was bigger than a garage. And dinosaur's stomach was bigger than garage. Garage means a place where we used to park cars, a building to park cars. Okay, so where you keep your cars. Okay, so his stomach was bigger than a garage, means uska stomach garage jitna bada tha. He was that much huge. Okay, he had the biggest humping back. He has a biggest humping back, means this curved back, like animals are also having. So this curve. Okay, so the dinosaur had the biggest, उसका humping back सबसे ज़्यादा biggest था, बड़ा था. A neck as long as Friday, and his neck is as long as Friday. What does this mean? A neck as long as Friday, like in India we mostly getting Sunday to enjoy, and we eagerly waiting for Saturday, because after Saturday we are going to enjoy Sunday. But in many other countries or foreign countries, they are enjoying Saturday and Sunday. Okay, Saturday and Sunday together as weekend. So that's why he's saying, like, we are waiting for Saturday, like from Monday to Saturday it is looking very long. We are thinking that it is taking too much time in coming Saturday, then we can enjoy Sunday. Like in the same way, okay, they are waiting for Friday. So the Friday, that's why he's saying that his neck was as long as Friday. Like we are waiting for the Saturday, or they are waiting for the Friday, which is taking long time to come. Like that long time, his neck is long, his neck was long. So a neck as long as Friday, like we are waiting for Saturday to come so that we can enjoy Sunday. In the same way, they are waiting for the Friday so they can enjoy Saturday and Sunday as weekend. So that's why he has compared the his neck with Friday. That जैसे सैटरडे का हम लोग वेट करते हैं, हमें बहुत लंबा लगता है कि कब सैटरडे आएगा, लाइक इन द सेम वे दे आर वेटिंग फॉर द फ्राइडे एंड दे आर थिंकिंग दैट इट इज़ टेकिंग टू मच टाइम in coming Friday. So his neck was as long as Friday. I am glad he lived so long ago. And what does this mean? Glad means happy. Okay, I am glad he lived so long, and the poet is saying that he is happy that this large animal, the dinosaur, lived so long ago. Means ये जो dinosaur animal है वो बहुत पहले था, and he didn't live in my day. And he is saying why he is happy, because of his large body and the things he used to do, the things he used to destroy. So that's why he's saying that I am happy that he lived long ago, कि ये बहुत पहले था, अब ये मेरे टाइम पे नहीं है. Now I can live peacefully without the fear of the dinosaur. Okay, so that's why he is happy that he lived so long ago, कि इतने पहले था वो, and didn't live in my days, and he is not present in our age or in Mark's Fetchen age. So that's why he is saying that I am glad he lived so long ago and I didn't live in my days. और वो अब मेरे टाइम पे या हमारे टाइम पे वो नहीं है. Okay, so again I'm reading. The dinosaur, an ancient beast, a large animal. I was told very large. मुझे बताया गया था कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा है. His eyes were as big as a tennis ball. उसकी eyes जो हैं they were as big as tennis ball. His stomach was bigger than a garage. Garage means the building where we keep our cars. Okay, so his stomach was that much large, like a garage. He had the biggest humping back, the curved back, like we used to see on animals also. So he had the biggest humping back and a neck as long as Friday, like we are waiting for Friday to come so that we can enjoy Saturday and Sunday. And it is looking to us that Saturday is taking long time to come. In the same way, his neck is as long as Friday, and I am glad he lived so long ago. And the poet is really happy that this largest creature or the large creature or animal used to live a long ago, and now he can live his life peacefully, and now we can live our life peacefully without any fear of the dinosaur. So this is a very short poem. I hope I have cleared all the meanings and all the lines. So please read the lines or read the poem carefully again at home and try to learn the meaning which are given below as the blue words, so that it will help you to know more about the poem. Stay home, stay safe, and do all your assignment on time and learn each and everything that is given to you as a homework. Thank you.